baby in the car, Andrew.
He can get arrested for that. He's going 20 miles an hour on
But
the
he may
highway.
have a baby in the car, Andrew.
But it's a highway. It's a highway. If you go under 40 miles an hour, you can get locked up. He was lying. He was making a left turn. He was screwing with me. After I passed him.
Oh, Andrew, nobody's screwing with you. Stop
He went
being
into
so
the left
paranoid.
lane. He went into the left
Who cares?
lane. Well, I'm just telling you what happened. I'm not judging. So you've never been to Liddell?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Is it German, right?
No.
Well,
It's Europe. It's things like Scandinavian.
Here. Green.
I mean, it's just the same as Aldi, and I like Aldi.
Oh, it is probably Aldi.
It is. It's the same brothers. The two brothers, Aldi and Lidl. We just need to take our own bags. Have you got recycle bags? Oh yeah.
What do you say? You need a bag?
You need a recycle bag. You need to take your own bags.
Well, you couldn't take everything out to the car with a shopping cart and then put it in the box.
I'm not buying that much. I just need some milk and I need to get my eggs. Thanks
That's
for
it?
getting. Well, I don't know. I don't know yet.